Hi, this is Shalima Motial from Dreamcatchers. Infinity Jewels presents Runway Mom Season 6, an initiative of Dreamcatchers and ZTV. With us today, we have a very special guest, Mr. Sumit Nanda, the co founder of EGA Wellness. Yay! Welcome aboard, Sumit. And at
Thank
this
you.
point, he's sitting in the US of A and giving this interview. So, welcome. And, just so that I have your introduction right, may I request you to introduce yourself, please?
Hi, Shalima. Thank you for having me over. My name is Sumit Nanda. I live in Singapore for the last 10 years. And I founded EGA Wellness along with Dr. Atish, who's my co-founder about 5 years ago in 2016. And we've grown in Singapore. So actually, the journey started with my own experience with Dr. Atish. So my background is more consumer goods, and I've been into manufacturing of toothbrushes first in India and then also in the US and overseas. But growing up as a teenager, I had a very sensitive throat and would fall sick a lot, had low immunity. So my tonsils would swell up. And every time I went to a doctor, they kept prescribing antibiotics. And
Oh,
because
no.
they were infected. So, like every 2 or 3 months, I was put on antibiotics and there was no real cure.
Okay.
So, by the time I was 30, I had diabetes, and doctor said it's genetic because my parents, both my dad and my grandparents, had diabetes at early age, and I started getting frequent migraines. Doctor again said it's genetic because my mother had severe migraines all her life. So I mean, every time I went back, they put me on more medication. Then I had hypertension and sleep issues, low
Oh,
immunity. I
no.
was falling sick almost every year. 1 year to 2009, I remember I had H1N1 and was like on the bed for almost 30 days. So I've experienced that, what COVID feels
Wow.
like now. And it was like every breath I had to take, I had to make an effort to pull it. So, I mean, all these were immunity issues. And in terms of health, I was not doing so well. So, uh, fortunately, my brother who lives in the US, one of his close friend had gone to Kerala for migraine treatment and benefited a lot. So he came over to India, and both of us went to see this doctor from Kerala and
Okay.
Dr.
And that's
Atish.
Dr. Ratish.
That's right.
Right.
So he checked my pulse, he touched my pulse and said, your internal metabolic age is that of a 65-year-old. Whatever you're eating is not
Oh,
getting
Lord.
digested well. Yeah,
So this
that
is
was
when
the
you were
biggest
30
shock.
years old
I was about 40 around that time.
and your
So
metabolic age was 65.
that's right. And
Oh,
EGA stands for reverse of AGE. So
oh my
that's
God. Yeah, I
how.
kind of was trying to put that together. I was like, yeah, could be it, and makes total sense, especially after hearing your story. So, yeah, carry on.
Yeah, so that's when we started the business, and we thought of this name because that's really what had attracted me when I first met him. So when he told me that, I was shocked, and so he said that but we can reverse the internal metabolic age by cleaning up the gut, the cleaning up the blood and the liver, because liver metabolizes whatever we eat. Blood will carry all the nutrition to every cell and detoxify the cells and take out all
Wow.
the toxins. And once the digestive fire or the gut is working well, most
Hmm.
of our issues can be taken care of. So it was kind of very new for me. I mean, to be honest, I never believed in Ayurveda, and I had no concept of Ayurveda. I thought this was a magic pill. You go to a doctor, they give you a medication, you pop a pill, you're working fine in 2 days. But but I wanted to give it a try because I tried everything and I was suffering for
Hmm.
20-25 years.
Right.
But within like 7 days, I could feel a lot of improvement. Like my sleep quality was better. I was feeling very lighter, and most of my issues, like I used to constantly have that itching in the throat and
Mm-hmm.
weakness and all that was improving. So I continued with it. What he told me was that the first thing he told me that you have to wake up 1.5 hours before sunrise. And I
Okay.
said that I can never do that because I get a headache, I get a migraine, my whole day is gone. So I couldn't get sleep early. I would sleep by 12 and I would wake up by 8. So I said, I'm getting my 8 hours of sleep. He said, is more important is what 8 hours, not 8 hours. So
Right.
you don't have to do any daytime sleeping. If you sleep after the sun is out, is considered daytime sleeping, which as per Ayurveda is very harmful. So is a cause of most diseases and our
You
body
serious?
metabolism. Yes. So that is, I think, one of the key things and is more important than any diet or exercise is to follow the cycle of earth with the sun, and we are all part of nature. So that is what Ayurveda is about. We have to like follow the nature and wake up on time and sleep on time. This is more important than a diet and exercise, which
Right. So
I
you
have followed.
experienced it firsthand, and that's what motivated you to, spread the joy and spread the awareness and happiness in other people, is it?
So basically, uh, it's been 8 years, and I've been following the simple principles of Ayurveda, and I've never popped a pill. I've never
Wow.
fallen sick for a day. My sleep quality is better than my teenage days. My
And if
energy
I may
level is.
ask, what's your metabolic age right now?
So we can all keep it at optimum levels. So I always like to quote this example. Say you and me go buy a car,
Hmm.
and I am reckless. I don't take care of it. I'm driving rash, and I'm not filling the right fuel. I'm not getting it serviced, and you're taking care of it. You're very careful, putting the right fuel, getting it serviced all the time, changing the oil. After 5 years, on paper, our age on the car could be the same, but how it drives inside is completely different. So that is the concept of metabolic age. And we
Right.
can buy, when we are younger, we can eat and digest almost anything. And we can always keep our digestive fire high, like we are in our 20s, 30s. So there is now a lot of machines and technology also to measure that. So to answer your question, it is to keep it between like 20s 30s, around that, so that your metabolism is good, digestive fire is good, whatever I'm eating is getting digested well. So like when I met him, I was over 100 kilos in weight, and I've lost more than 25 kilos. But is weight is not the issue. It is more about the energy levels and
Right.
uh, how I feel how I feel when I wake up in the morning. That is
Hmm.
what the definition of Ayurveda is. Some Agni, some Dhatu, some Dosha, some Malakriya, which basically means if our body all digestive fire is in balance, the tissues are being nourished well. If we are eliminating our toxins every day, we can all be disease free. So, when I benefited so much and I had suffered and I had seen my parents suffer, like my dad had starting with diabetes, he had like 3 heart attacks,
Oh
8 stents
gosh.
put in him, a renal transplant, and a lot of health issues. And I could see myself going in the same direction. And
Hmm.
when this completely changed my life, I thought I really need to bring this to more and more people.
Oh,
So
that's fantastic. So, what exactly is it? So, what does Ega Wellness do? If you could tell us that.
So basically, it is guiding about food as medicine.
Mm-hmm.
The concept is diet and lifestyle, and we all need to do it according to our body type. So, it is more individualized as per Ayurveda. What is
Mm-hmm.
good for you might not be good for me.
Mm-hmm.
That is the concept Ayurveda. It's about the 5 elements of nature, which is space, air, fire, water, and earth. All of us have that unique balance. In Ayurveda, is called Vatpit Kaf or Vadapitta Kapha. So
Okay.
if we understand our body type and keep it in balance, which is in modern terms is called genetics or DNA. So all of us have a different balance. And if we keep that in balance with what we are eating,
Mm.
so to give a simple example, when we are in North India, where in summer the temperature is like 48 degrees and winters it is 1 or 2 degrees, nature produces fruits and vegetables which balance our body. Like summer fruits, we get all the melons and watermelons and mangoes to cool down the body. And in the winters, we get all the heating foods, mustards and all, which heat up the body. So, nature has produced all this to balance the weather around us. And to quote an example, like coffee and tea grows in the hills. It is good, works like a medicine if we eat it in cold, if we consume it in cold weather. But in hot weather, you see in Singapore, it's hot throughout the year.
Yeah.
And what grows around is coconut, right? So coconut is very cooling. And that's, if we drink 4 or 5 coconuts, fresh coconut, then, we can be, that's the best for us in this kind of weather. So that is the whole concept, understanding nature around us. And so the other rule that I follow is I eat freshly cooked food only. So no processed food, no old food. These are the only changes I've done. Besides that, otherwise I had so many restrictions earlier. As diabetic, doctors would say, don't have fruits. And I have one box of mango every single day. I eat at least 2-3 kilos of mangoes every day. So
every day,
every single day in summer. Yeah, seasonal fruits. So that was actually my biggest motivation when I met Dr. Atish, and he said that have only one meal of fruits for the day. One meal in a day should be only fruit.
Right.
And I said, can I have mango? He said, sure. Any fruit, any quantity, no restriction. I said, then whatever you say, I can do it. That's wonderful.
Awesome. So Ega Wellness is about juices as well, right? It's juices, cold compressed juices.
So, there are 3 parts to the business. One is the fresh cold pressed juices and the power shots. Basically, the juices is about getting the raw nutrients in. And, these days we are mostly calorie surplus and nutrition deficit. So all of us are counting calories, but a calorie from a pastry is completely different from a calorie from a fresh fruit or a juice. And a calorie from a packaged juice is also completely different from a calorie from a fresh juice. So this is basically, it is about trying to educate people, trying to bring more awareness about why fresh food is very, very beneficial for us. We get all our raw nutrients, enzymes from fresh food. You see, in old days, our best source of mineral water was from the wells or the rivers. Now, today, rivers and wells are all polluted. So, we have to filter all the bad bacteria and all the impurities out, pollutants out. But unfortunately, along with the things we don't want, we also filter out all the minerals. So RO water is deprived of any minerals. And there's, there are a lot of, you can simple Google and see, if you put water conducts electricity only because of the minerals in it. You take any RO water and try to put 2 sides of a battery in it, and it would not conduct. So there are these nano-sized particles of all the minerals, copper, silver, magnesium, which make the water conductor as a. So these are simple experiments can be done. So fruit juices, you see, the tree will suck all the nano-sized particles from the earth and transform them with the nature, with using the sunlight and the wind energy into these beautiful fruits, different colors. And so these are the best source of natural minerals, which are very beneficial for our body.
Right.
So, the fresh juices that we do is very essential for getting all the minerals into the body. And you see, when we started, we wanted to have something which is universal, Ayurveda, unfortunately, is in Singapore is mostly restricted. People think it is about massage and all, because most people will use it like a massage, right? But Ayurveda as a knowledge is covers the whole spectrum of food, diet, lifestyle, everything. It starts from preventive, is also used for most curative issues. Things when everyone fails with everything else, they also come to Ayurveda for most chronic issues also. So I mean, it covers almost everything. And
fantastic. And you also promote juice fasts. Is that right?
yes. So the other step, the first thing is, juices where anyone can walk in, and all people of all genders, all races, all ages, everyone loves a good juice. So it's like entry point for us. People walk in and they get the juices, and they understand what we do. It's like bringing them into the ecosystem and explaining.
Right. So they
to them.
walk into your EGA Wellness Juice clinics, right?
Yes. So we
and
have.
How many do you have in Singapore?
We have 3 stores, physical stores in Singapore, and
Right.
all the stores have a Ayurvedic doctor as the front office manager also, who is able to guide and explain about the person's body type and which juices are best for them. So
and how do they do that? Like, is there a check, or how does that work?
So Ayurvedic expert is able to see it from the physical characteristics also. The Vata people are more thin and frail and light, and lean structure is easy to identify from the body features. And Pitta people will generally be medium built, more muscular, more athletic, very aggressive. All the top leaders in the world are all Pitta people. You'll see white hair coming in very early in age. So, and Kapha people are thick-skinned, long wavy hair, curly hair, and thick hair, thick eyebrows, thick lips, broad body build, very high stamina, very big memory, very loving, and try to hold on to everything. So the Ayurvedic doctor are trained to identify physical characteristics, and they can identify. But we also have detailed questionnaire on our website, on the stores, which people can fill in, because physical characteristic is only 20-30% of identification. It takes like a complete detailed question and answer session to understand how they feel, how they react, and all, to understand the body type, which the doctor does in a consultation. So like we have Dr. Atish does the consultation, where he takes about 1 hour, goes through the whole background, and then he also does the pulse reading diagnosis for because the pulse is the...
Oh, that I've heard of, the pulse reading diagnosis. Yes, that's fascinating.
The pulse actually checks the body type. The Vat Pitta Kapha balance is easily available in the pulse. So a good pulse reader can identify the balance through the pulse reading, and then he will give the plans and the complete change in diet and lifestyle accordingly.
And so how easy is it to follow that? Like, for people especially who are not used to fasts and stuff. For example, I do it once a year probably. So for someone like me, if I want to get on it, will I feel dizzy, or if I go on this fast? If you could just explain us a little more about how does it work, how many times a week, and what are the benefits?
So you see, in 2016, a Japanese professor got a Nobel Prize for his work on fasting, on how autophagy works, and during fasting, our cells, the weak cells or the damaged cells, are eaten up by the body, and works best for cancer and all. If you see, all religions in the world have practiced fasting for a long, long time. So there is a whole science behind fasting, and there are different kinds of fast, and also for different kind of people. So but fasting is very, very good for almost everyone, and best is Ekadashi fast. Traditionally, Ekadashi is a day when the planets are aligned in a way where whatever we eat cannot be digested. So every 15 days with the lunar cycle, that day comes when we are all supposed to fast, because that day whatever we eat is not digested. So
wow. And which is that day? Like, how do you know what day is that?
So just Google and see, you will get the whole year calendar. It's third day from the lunar cycle, but best is to follow the Google Calendar, and it
Or
also
go to
varies.
a Ega Wellness Juice Center and
Yes,
get all
yeah,
that.
yeah, we'll give you the whole calendar.
Easier way.
Yeah, so and then best is to fast regularly. So there are a lot of people who do like a 5-day or a 7-day fast together to get immediate results. But we recommend best to do 1 day a week or one day in
Sorry.
2
So when you
weeks.
say 5 to 7 days fast, as in they're drinking juices, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So it's
So
like a juice fast for those 5, 7 days and no solid meals.
that's correct. Because the idea behind having juices is to get a lot of fluids in the body. Our lymphatic system works with fluids and water.
Mm-hmm.
So when we put in a lot of fluid in, one, it is helping to flush out all the toxins, clean up the blood, and clean up the digestive system. And because it is cold press, so in cold press technology, the nutrients are extracted right at cellular level. So there is no fiber in it. It's almost like liquid, like water.
Right.
The residue that we get from a cold press machine is like wood, is very dry. So all the nutrients are extracted, and it's like staying on a water fast. And so this helps the body to spend all the energy on repairing and cleaning itself, and it doesn't have to put any energy towards digesting the food.
Right.
So
But can people go about their normal lives when they're on this diet? Like, or do they feel I need to sit, relax, and feel dizzy or anything?
It's better that we advise everyone not to do strenuous exercise. Otherwise, everything is carry on with their regular lifestyle, go to work and carry on with normal day to day. But one question that we get a lot, and I want to clarify, is people say, oh, is it too many sugars, and is it better to do a fruit fast or have more fruits rather than juices? So I say that it's not either or. It is not, fruit is a food substitute. So we can also do a fruit fasting where and juice fasting is like water fasting. It's a complete liquid fast. So body gets a complete rest from digesting the food. Fruit fast is also very good. It is, body has to do some effort to digest the food and extract the nutrients from it, but we get the fiber. So it is prescribed for different people. Different fasting is, the doctor is best to advise. And
so it could be once a day, once a week, or it could be 5-6 days a week, depending on what the person needs, right?
Exactly.
And where do they get this? They have to go to the clinic, or they can order online as well?
They can, today most 50% or more of our business is online. So starting from last year, a lot of our business has moved online, and we have doctor's consultation also available online now. So there is free consultation with the Ayurvedic. So we have all the store managers are also Ayurvedic doctors, and one of them is designated, like Dr. Shilpa, who's at Cluny Court, is looking after all the juice consultations, and people who do the juice fasting can do a 20-minute consultation with her free of cost and understand which juice is best for them and what is the best way to do the fasting.
Right. And these juices are fresh, or do they have preservatives?
No. So there is no preservative, no additives, nothing. These are all freshly made, and we send it out to the homes one day before the day of fasting. So like the package is delivered in the evening. They come with 6 bottles of 500 ml each. So it's like 3 liters of juice. And all of the juices are with turmeric and ginger. So for easy digestion and cleansing effect. And they're also, there's a lot of knowledge behind it. Like, early morning time is more kapha time. So we need to eat differently. Daytime is more pitta time, so we need to eat differently because our digestive fire is high. Evening is more vata time, so we need to eat differently. So all the fruits, juices are made according to the vata, pitta, kapha, so they are beneficial for that time of the day also.
Right. And so for someone who's doing it once a week, these 5-6 bottles of juices that you deliver, ideally, what's the cost of that?
So it's close to $100, like
Okay.
$100 to $110. The greens are a little more expensive. There are a lot of ingredients. There are 20 ingredients in greens, starting from the moringa and all the parsley,
Wow.
spinach, celery.
Yeah, so
And
it's better to spend $100 now on health than to spend $600 on seeing a doctor and getting yourself fixed, right? I
I call
mean,
it the health insurance now.
absolutely, that's what the shift I have seen in people. They don't mind spending on their health anymore because they've realized that if we don't spend on our health right now, they will have to spend on their illness later. So that kind of switch is happening, which is fascinating, which is interesting, and it was needed, right?
I've actually seen in India people lose all their savings, everything. We have seen in COVID times that, when you go to a hospital, you're earning throughout your life. And by the end of it, you give away everything for your medical health care. And that is what we say, that our mission is that all of us can lead a disease-free life. And people are thinking that, when we retire, we have to be close to a hospital, we have to be close to a medical facility because we will need it in old age. That's not right.
Right.
Actually, we can completely lead a disease-free life if we start following it regularly. So, and it's simple changes in diet and lifestyle, understanding, being able to digest what we are eating.
Right.
And that is really what we are promoting.
Fantastic. No, this is such an eye opener. And I'm excited to, go check out Ega Wellness juices and stuff, probably start once a week. And I'm excited to try them myself. So thank you so much for your time. And our registrations closed yesterday for Runway Mom Season 6. We've had an overwhelming response. So before we sign out, any message for all the gorgeous people who've joined us for our Runway Season 6?
So I would encourage everyone to do at least one day of juice fasting. And, in today's day and age, a lot of people say that, our lifestyle doesn't allow, we have to go out and eat, and we have to socialize, and we have to work late and all. So what is it that we can do? So I think, if nothing else, at least do one day of fasting every week. So it'll take care of 50 to 60% of the health issues. And I would encourage everyone who's doing the runway, this is a good opportunity. Take it, and you can try the one day juice fasting, and no need to come to us. Just do it at home.
Yeah, you deliver home, right? So yeah.
No, not even buy from us or deliver home. I'm saying, just stay on juice, make your own juice at home and do it. It's for us, it's about creating more awareness and helping everyone lead a disease-free life. So you do it at home. We are there to provide convenience. If you want all the knowledge, and if you want us to do it,
and plus we wouldn't know how to make cold pressed juices, right? We would probably have it with the fiber. So it's better to go to someone who knows how it is. And just by saying that you don't even have to come to us, make it at home, it just shows how passionate you are about, creating that health awareness in people. So bravo. Thank you so much for your time, Sumit. And appreciate you coming aboard Runway Mom. And here's to health and a disease-free world. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.